Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver on this laptop. To do that, right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, go to power and sleep settings, then select energy saver, click on it to expand the tab. And here, if you want to enable the power saver manually, just switch the toggle to the right. Now if you want to set the battery level at which you want battery saver to enable automatically, expand this list and select the value that you need. Now if you select always, then your device will go into the battery saver mode once it's unplugged from the power source. So go with the value that you want, and then there is also one other option that will either lower your screen brightness when you're using your energy saver when it's switched on, or will not do it if you switch it off. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.